Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be doing one of these simple tasks that I did for my white paper. And that task is I want to change the background color of these because this is a horrible background. And I want to do it all at once. So instead of doing one by one, I want it all done at once. So we're going to start with the PowerPoint. It is very simple. If you start from home, you just go into Design, select Format Background, and we will do it a solid color. There you go. Hit apply to all, and now all of them are that color that I want them to be. Now let's go into our Google Slides and see if it does the same thing. So Google Slides, very simple. Background is right there. So that already stops us from one click. And then we choose solid, we choose our color, you add it to the theme, and it does all of them. Very easy, very simple. For my white paper, I did grade the Google Slides as better because I do appreciate that it's just right there. You don't have to go digging around for it. If a color doesn't work for you, you can go there, switch it fast, see what it looks like, and it saves a lot of time. So that is why I graded that as higher for Google Slides. Thank you for listening.